Being on the 21st floor, it made sense to start this video from the balcony. Look at these views. Incredible southwest facing with the lake and those amazing sunsets. You can also see BMO Field and Bud Stage in case you're going to grab a concert. You could take a look what's going on before heading down. Coming off the balcony, you could take in this view in your living room. You have amazing natural light and those floor-to-ceiling windows. Modern style kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Bedroom even big enough for a king size bed. Coming down to this lobby, you have super high ceilings. The building amenities are a pool and gym. You even have a meeting room, party room, billiards, and ping pong. Walking out, everything right here in Liberty Village. You're on the east side of Liberty, so easy access to Strawn, which gets you up to Trinity Bellwoods, even down to Lake Ontario. All the restaurants, all the cafes within walking distance.